Double like gang, this shit really get deadly. We don't want really be steady. I run the gang in the trap, read this shit like the Rebbe. You run up, you get 50 heavy. Gotta thank God for sending me out of these blessings. Remember them days I was stressed. Now I get paid just to show my reflection. It flicks it, plus them send quit like a miss. Trapping was really my blessing. I knew how.
What's up, YouTube? You already know who it is. It's your boy Young Drago, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, we finna tell y'all niggas some methods, and we finna go ahead and do this little mukbang, little seafood mukbang, juicy crab mukbang. You already know how we get it. And tell y'all niggas some methods, talk about some new future videos, and just tune in with y'all niggas. You already know. So let's go ahead and get to the video. We got the plate for the seafood. Then the hoe come with some gloves. They come with some gloves. Shisha. You already know. Gloves. And it come with a fork, but I don't need no fork. Let's go ahead and get this bitch started. They must thought I was sharing with somebody or something. I don't mind your repetition. Comment down below what videos y'all trying to see. What methods y'all trying to see. Anything you trying to see me do. Comment down below. If you trying to see me travel, you trying to see females, you trying to see a female or females in the video, you trying to see me cook some shit, make some edibles or some shit, comment down below what y'all need. These bitches not even that hot. I asked for extra hot. I'll show y'all niggas how to eat a crab. So step 1, you hold that bit like this. Step 2, you crack that hoe till that nigga break. You gonna see a big ass piece of meat that tastes wonderful, and you just bingo. Crack his leg. Big ass piece of meat. No homo shit. But this shit good as fuck. I repeat. And you got a crab leg, my guy. Got a nigga crab leg. Them crab legs be the toughest to break. Fuck that shit. Alright, YouTube, I'm finna go ahead and put y'all on with the method. This is the Just Eat method for my folks in UK. My folks all the way in United Kingdom. So first, you wanna order everything that you want, put all the food that you want in your cart and order it. Once your order is delivered, click Get More Help. Then click I am unhappy with my order. Then say my food is damaged. Click on all your food, click on everything. Then if it asks you anything, say everything was destroyed or damaged and click continue, and you will get the full compensation. Alright, YouTube, it's your boy Young Drago. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Make sure y'all comment what methods y'all want. Comment what methods y'all need. And goddamn like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna keep pushing these videos. We got to be